So let's go take a look at the backyard and see how everything is shaping up. I haven't been filming the watering because it's a hassle every day, but I've been moving my hose system back and forth and for 30 minutes a day. So each zone gets 30 minutes and then I move it, 30 minutes, move it, 30 minutes, move it. So let's check this out. Zone 1 in the morning when I wake up, or after, like, you know, the dew is off, I'll run this for 30 minutes. Take all those hoses, move everything down here, run this for another 30 minutes. Alarm goes off, turn it off, move everything. Run the zone down in this area here sometimes, and then I go over to this area. And then lastly, I do up top. So this was only seeded 3 or 4 days ago. So we should start seeing germination tomorrow if everything worked out.